Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a mirror half Carlsberg. Knowing how to do a half Carlsberg already would be really useful, and to be fair, you probably want to know something like an accordion, because an accordion is the perfect setup for this move. I'll put links to those in the description below, so it's easy and quick for you to find them if you need them. Unusually this starts man's left, lady's left, which is why an accordion is a good way of getting to it, because an accordion you've got cross-handed grip, you just let go with the right hands and you end up here. So in slow motion it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8, back, in, return, look, spin, catch, return and back. So let's break that down. It starts off left to left, so mirror image of a normal half Carlsberg. We go back, we're bringing the lady forwards, the guys are heading out of the way to the right, we relax the arm, it comes across the chest. The ladies, as usual, when they're coming by your side, connect up to the shoulder. It's not going to be too important for this, but it would be in some other moves. We're going to reach around the lady, so we're starting the turn, we're reaching back over the lady so she can keep going. While we do that, fellas, we turn right, we get the lady all the way around, we take the hand nicely over to the right, which is a preparation, flick to the left to get a return spin. Well, a turn spin technically, catch, return and back. If it hadn't been in mirrorage, it would have been a return spin. So let's do it again, left to left, and we'll think numbers. So we go back 1, across the chest 2, there's our mirror half Carlsberg 3, preparation 4, spin 5, catch 6, return 7 and back 8. So let's try it together, left to left, and here we go. 5, 6, mirror half Carlsberg. It's a back, in, over, look, spin, catch, return and back. And to give you the kind of bonus of how to join it in, let's do an accordion before it. So if you start right to right, just a standard accordion, go around a couple of times and then you can do it. So just go 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hope you find that one a nice way of fancying up a way out of your left to left grip. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, so thank you to everyone who does that. The notification bell, if you've got notifications turned on, means you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. And we'll put up a music recommendation on the end, just a link to a music video of a tune that would be nice to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.